Hi, my name's Asher. Welcome to Kids Camp. Who said Kids Can't cook?
Who said kids can't
I'm
cook?
Asher's dad.
And guess what? Today you're gonna cook with us.
And we're gonna make pizza.
Oh my gosh, we're making pizza.
Let's go.
So we got everything ready here. So cameras are
Okay, camera. Here we go.
you gotta say hi. All right, everybody, you gonna follow along with us?
All right. Here we go.
All right, Asher, what's your favorite kind of pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Yeah.
Oh, like pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
So let's show everybody what we have today. So we're gonna use
Olives. Pizza sauce. Salami. Pepperoni. And pineapple?
Some people think pineapple should never go on a pizza. I think they're wrong. I love pineapple on a pizza.
I think they're wrong too.
And we got garlic and herb pizza dough.
Yeah.
And, you know, most people like to put mozzarella cheese, but we decided to go with a fancy Mexican 3-cheese blend. And if you haven't noticed a theme here, all of this stuff is from Trader Joe's. What?
This is awesome, kids.
So we got everything here ready
So
to
here
go.
we go.
So we got our cutting board, which we're not really going to do any cutting, but this is where we're going to put all our ingredients. We got some all-purpose flour so that pizza dough doesn't stick to our hands. And, of course, the Nintendo oven glove of power! So we don't burn ourselves on the oven.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Safety first.
So we have our oven already preheated up to 375 degrees. So first thing that we need to do. All right, Ashley, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Just take a small pinch of flour. All right, now sprinkle it on our cutting board. Okay, put a little bit more. And then we want to spread it all around. And this is so it doesn't stick to the cutting board, the pizza dough. And then, so put a little more. And then guess what? You put a little bit on your hands. Okay, rub your hands together. And this is so it doesn't stick to your hands. Little bit of tricks. Things we learn.
Okay, here we go.
All right, we're opening up our pizza dough.
Yeah, we're on.
So we like to make individual size, which means one's
Let's
just
go.
our personal size, ones that we like. So, all right, here's our pizza dough. It's like Play-Doh.
Can I ask, Dad, can I ask them to play with?
Oh, show him your face. Show him your face. He's got a little flour on his face. That's okay. Put some on mine. All right, let's see. We're gonna break these off into little balls.
Can I have one?
So here's Asher's. All right,
I'm gonna play with mine.
that's okay. We're gonna put some flour on it.
Just so it doesn't stick to my hands.
So it all just depends on what size you want, and then you just start to knead it. So kneading is when you just start to kind of tug on it and making it into the size that you want. All right, don't rip it apart. Just don't rip it apart. If you rip it apart, it's going to lose its integrity and your crust is going to fall all apart. That's not what we want. So we don't care if it's perfectly round. You can make it square, you can make it triangle, you can make it circles. And the biggest thing that you want to do is even out the dough. So the hard part on some of these is
I love circle pizza.
circle pizza. Hard part on some of these is the dough likes to bunch up on the ends and get thin in the middle. So everybody likes different styles of pizza. I personally like deep dish. I like Chicago style deep dish pizza. Asher here loves a New York thin crust. But you know what? We just like pizza, don't we?
Yeah.
We love pizza. All right, there's one. All right, your turn, Asher. So we're gonna put it on our little pizza tray. All right. Let's put a little more flour down.
I'm gonna have the biggest pizza ever.
Biggest pizza ever.
Yeah, can I have some of that though?
I'll trade you. All right, so now we gotta start making your shape.
Okay.
So, are we kneading our dough?
Yeah.
All right, so I like to work my way around the outside so that the inside doesn't get too thin. And who said kids can't cook?
No.
We're gonna prove them wrong.
And who said
Asher, what did we make last week? What did you help me make?
chili?
Chili. Oh.
Well, we did put it on video though, kids.
Yeah, we didn't make a video, but oh man, how'd that chili turn out? Did it turn out okay? Was it delicious?
It was delicious, kids.
Yeah.
If you want to try our chili, then ask us to go and then ask us to make a chili video, a chili making video.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here I go.
All right. How's your pizza coming? Is your dough flat? Is it circled yet? You gotta put it on the cutting board. All right. So here's pizza number 2. We're gonna make a few of these.
Okay, here we go.
Maybe we can get daring enough and try to make a calzone. Do you know what a calzone is, actually?
What?
It's crust. Build a pizza on the inside, and you fold it over, and you bake it, and it's like pizza inside the crust. So it's kind of cool, kind of delicious. All right.
Let's try and dare to do it.
We can't make a pizza with a ball. You gotta flatten it out. You ready? You want me to help you?
Yeah. Let's find my pizza.
Yeah.
This is gonna be so much fun, kids. So keep watching if you wanna see everything.
See, we all like different types of pizzas.
Well, I like pepperoni the most.
I like your basic combination: pepperoni, all meats, anything red sauce. I don't really care for white sauce myself, but some people like white sauce. Some people like chicken on their pizza. I like.
But we don't, right, Daddy?
I don't know. You might. Do you like chicken on your pizza?
I don't like it. I've never tried it before, actually.
Oh, then you can't say you don't like it.
But I don't want to try it.
That's okay. We don't have any chicken today. Put on our pizza.
We don't have any chicken
Some people
today.
like pesto. Some people like anchovies, like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Actually, the
Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles don't like anchovies on the pizza.
What? Since when?
Since always.
Oh, you're right. They don't like anchovies. Maybe Splinter does. All right. So
Yes.
we're gonna switch out our cutting board for our pizzas. So here we go. We got 3 pizza doughs all ready.
Ready? I'm pulling the chair back.
Nope, we're not putting them in yet. We gotta add our toppings. Yeah. So, all right. What do you think the very first thing that goes on a pizza is?
The sauce.
Oh, high five. You're right. All right. Can you get me a spoon?
Okay.
We need a spoon for the sauce.
Okay.
I'm opening up the olives and I'm dumping out the olive juice. If I let Asher, he will eat this entire can of olives before it even ever makes it onto the pizza. Same with the pepperoni and the salami. So I have to watch him carefully.
But I won't do that first, Daddy.
You won't do it today? All right.
This is the first episode, kids.
All right, get back up.
So make sure to watch all of the other episodes. Because we're going to have a lot more episodes than just this one.
Now that I've been using that pizza dough
Here, Daddy.
and the flour, I
Here
can't
you go,
open the
Daddy.
jar.
Here, Daddy.
There we go. Pop. Look, he's eating the olives. Oh, oy vey. All right, careful. You gotta be careful when reaching into a can because, you know, sometimes can openers leave the metal a little jagged. Alright, so step back a little bit. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to dip some of our sauce.
There's more pizza.
I like extra sauce. That's just how I am. Some people just like thinly spread sauce. Problem is, if you put too much sauce, your toppings will slide right off. So you got to be careful.
How much sauce?
Too much sauce.
But Daddy's always careful though.
Alright, so here you are. And spread it out to the edges. Why am I doing this?
Because we're making pizza.
Shouldn't you be doing it? Isn't this... Who said kids can't cook? I am a kid, so, you know. We don't have any grown-ups here today.
I want to have it. What? Actually, my dad's here today. He's the only grown-up here today.
What? I'm not a grown-up. I never grew up. I don't know what you're talking about.
Daddy, you did grow up though.
What?
Daddy, you're just...
So careful not to push the sauce onto the tray because then it'll burn. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's put the spoon back in. Alright. What goes on next?
Okay, the cheese.
Oh, cheese time. Cheese time, cheese time. Oh, smells like cheese.
Ah.
Alright, take a pinch. Sprinkle it on. Alright, try to spread it out so it's not all just in the middle. So, we want to try to keep it onto the dough, not onto the
Try.
pie tin.
So what's the pie tin?
Or the pizza tin, the metal that the pizza's on. Or the pizza sheet. That's what the pizza sheet. Alright, I'm going to spread it. Give me a little more.
Do you want a little more?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, so what I'm going to need your help with is picking up the cheese off the middle. It's on the middle. Oh, careful. So you got to make sure that when you're pulling the cheese out, that you don't get it everywhere. There's a towel right here if you need to wipe your hands with it.
Okay, I'm gonna wipe my hands.
Good. Kind of clean as you go. That's the best way to do it. Some people like extra cheese. Some people like a little bit of cheese. Some people like goat cheese. Some people like mozzarella cheese.
We just like every kind of cheese, right, Dad?
I'm a little more picky on cheese myself. But I never really ate a lot of cheese when I was growing up as a kid. I didn't have cheese on my cheeseburgers. I just had regular hamburgers. But I did grow to love like pepper jack cheese. So if I ever have anything, I like.
There's some more.
Hey, he's gonna eat all of our toppings. All right, tell the kids what we're doing.
We're putting on pepperoni now.
All right, which one's gonna be yours? We're opening up our pepperoni.
Okay, so I'm gonna put all the salami on.
Okay, well, which pizza's yours? You gotta pick one.
This one.
That one? Okay. So, here. So we're gonna put pepperoni on first. This is your job. You decorate the pizza however you want, because this is your pizza.
I'm making like Christmas pizza.
Christmas pizza? What does that mean?
It's a pizza that's for Christmas. It's a Christmas pizza.
Oh. All right. Is that enough pepperoni, or do you need more?
That's enough.
Okay. So let's see.
Now I get to add my salami on.
Yep, we gotta open it up here in a minute.
Okay, kids, we got the salami.
All right. Hold on.
Okay, kids, this is what kind of salami we have. Here, okay, kids, here we go. Here we go. Okay, go, please.
I can't believe Asher's not eating all the pepperoni while he puts it on the pizza. Because we won't have enough for the pizzas, don't we? Hey, what's over there?
American flag.
Okay. Asher, here, let's get the salami.
Here
Wait, give me the
American flag stuck.
We need salami. We gotta keep making our video.
Okay.
Alright. Sorry kids, that was a little break. Asher found his American flag and wanted to wave it around. Alright, salami time.
Let me go get my
Alright.
flag.
Okay. Salami time.
Got my flag.
I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the salami in half because the pepperonis are already so big.
Don't worry, we can put it on the salami. Don't worry, we can. I finally put it on the pepperoni. I finally put it on the pepperoni
As soon
though.
as you take a bite, it's gonna take off all your toppings. Alright, so here we go. Now that just a whole bunch of extra little. Go ahead and start putting it on. Let's put the flag away.
Mine? Well, mine already has a lot of pepperoni. Mine's gonna be like a very much pepperoni pizza. Super pepper pizza.
Hey, are you eating it?
Mm.
Alright. And because Asher's has a lot of toppings on it right now, what we should do. Where did you hide the cheese? Just put a little bit of cheese on top because then that'll hold the toppings together. So just a thin layer.
Cheese.
Alright. Hey, now we gotta put some olives on yours. Wait, olives on your pizza, not in your mouth.
Hey, olives on pizza go.
I do like olives on my pizza. So I'm gonna do one with pineapple.
So kids, how does my pizza look?
Should Asher spread more his olives out a little more, or is it perfect just like that?
I think I need a little bit more olives.
Alright, let's see.
I think some
I'm
more
gonna put some olives on mine. On one of them.
I want all my olives to be close together.
That's fine. It's your pizza. You make it however you want.
I want to put all the olives close to each other, so
Okay.
I'm putting them over here. So I'm putting them over there. This is where all the olives hang out.
That's where all the olives hang out.
That's where I'm gonna.
All right. So look, we got 3 different types of pizzas here. They all vary just a little bit, but they
Maybe
all
I put mine-
look so delicious. Okay. Do you want a little cheese on top of your olives? Yes or no?
Sure.
All right. I just do the cheese, so then when it melts, it keeps all the toppings together. One thing I really like to put on my pizza once it's done is hot sauce. I like spicy. I do like to have jalapenos on my pizzas. All right. And we want to try not to put too many toppings right in the center of your pizza, because if you do, it doesn't cook very good. So we want to spread a little bit out.
That's all my stuff. That's my
All right.
pizza.
So we're going to clean off the sheet.
I think my pizza looks delicious.
I think it does too. Clean off some of this cheese so it doesn't burn. Alright. Okay. So it is time to put it in the oven.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, pull your chair back. Time for the oven glove of power.
Okay, we're
I was
ready.
so excited when I found this. Oh, my favorite thing. If you don't know me, I love old video games. Alright guys, it's starting to smell delicious. Oh man, and it looks good. Just a couple more minutes. Hey Asher, I think the food's ready. Come check it out.
Okay, coming.
Oh my my gosh, it looks delicious.
Honey, I'm home.
Mom's home.
Hi, Bear. What you doing?
We have a cooking show now.
Oh, let me see.
We made dinner.
That smells delicious. Who said kids can't cook?
Who said kids can't cook?
Thanks for joining us. Bon appetit. Mwah.